to show you how to make some delicious cheddar biscuits. These are fast and easy with only a few ingredients, and they are just like those awesome biscuits that you get at Red Lobster, like carbon copy. So do stick around because they are really, really easy and you're gonna wanna make them. Okay, so I have everything prepped and ready to go. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. I've got 2 cups of flour measured out, and this is just basically an all-purpose flour. And to that, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, and then go ahead and mix that all around. Okay, now to our dry ingredients, we are going to add some butter. So I have cubed up 3 tablespoons of chilled butter, okay? And you want it chilled so that you can cut it. So you're going to put that in the flour, and then I like to take a fork, or you could use a potato masher, and you're basically going to press the butter into the flour until it's all mixed in and the flour is crumbly. So while I do this, I would like to remind you to turn your oven on, and you're going to preheat your oven to 425. Okay, the mixture is nice and crumbly, so now we are going to move on to our wet ingredients, starting with 1 cup of buttermilk. You can buy ready-made buttermilk, or you can make it at home very simply with 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I've used white vinegar and apple cider vinegar. I think you can pretty much use any vinegar to turn it into buttermilk, and it's a really handy trick that I do quite often, as a matter of fact. So 1 cup of buttermilk is going in, and then 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, and we're going to mix, mix, mix and get this nice and smooth. And what I love about this recipe is it's just hand mixed, you know, no mixer, no beater, no appliances, just a bowl and a spoon, and, you know, 5 minutes at most, and then bake them. Super easy, great side dish to any recipe. Next is 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I sliced about 4 green onions, nice and thin. They add a great flavor to the recipe. And then just go ahead and get this all incorporated. Okay, mixture may seem a little wet and sticky, that is okay. All right, you can see. Okay, so then get yourself a baking sheet or a cookie sheet and spray it with some cooking spray so they don't stick. And then you're just going to drop spoonfuls, almost like when you make cookies. Okay, a nice heaping spoonful. I'm going to get these laid out here. Okay, so I'm going to pop these into my oven. Remember, it's 425 degrees, and bake them for about 15 minutes. I'll be back to show you the finished product. All right, it smells amazing in here, and I baked these for 15 minutes. You know, certain ovens vary temperature-wise, so you just want them nice and golden and a little bit crispy brown on the bottom. So I'm going to transfer them over so we can bake the rest. And Juliet's decided to step in and try one. We'll get the child verdict on these. Probably get about 3 or 4 more. So you're looking at 15, 16 total cheddar biscuits. Great for a crowd. Hi, Juliet. Six more. So we got a total of, what, 12 there and 6, so 18 total. That's a lot. Feed a crowd for sure. Ready to try, babe? All right, which one looks good? All of them. Okay. Ooh, I see that cheesy goodness. Go ahead and give it a whirl. Here, we'll both try together. Ready? Ooh, yummy. Nice and fluffy. Mmm. Mmm. Recipe never disappoints. So I encourage you to try these. You're gonna love them. Your friends are gonna love them. And the recipe will be down below, so feel free to share it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.